Hello class, for today's social studies lesson, we're going to have the second part of our diversity egg lesson. A couple weeks ago, we learned who Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was and about his famous speech. Last lesson we talked about the first part of his quote, "They will not be judged by the color of their skin." Today's lesson we will talk more about what content of character means. I'll read his speech again. "I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character." These are plastic eggs. They come in a rainbow of colors. They're all good, look good on the outside, but how do we know what they have on the inside? Did you say we need to open them up? Yes, you are right. You have to pick it up and open it to find out what it has on the inside. Look at all these children. We've learned we should not judge a person by their outward appearance, like the color of their skin, or treat anyone unfairly. But can we tell just by looking at these kids what their character is? Can you tell who is kind, who is a helper, who is honest, who is respectful? They're all smiling for this picture, but we don't really know anything about their character. What is good character? Someone with good character believes they should make good choices and shows over time they try to make choices that are honest, respectful, fair, caring, and responsible. Making a mistake doesn't mean you don't have good character. Everyone makes mistakes and learns from them. And remember, Jesus forgives us when we make a bad choice or sin. This picture in the middle shows a girl. Her character traits are the things on the inside, the parts of her we can't see, like her thoughts, her words, and her feelings. How can we get to know someone's character? This is a question we're going to answer in our assignment today. Just like we can't tell what is inside a plastic egg without opening it up, we can't know someone's character, who they are on the inside, without spending time getting to know them. These girls look like they're talking and getting to know each other. Here are some examples of character traits. Which ones would you rather have in yourself or your friends? Honest, patient, happy, respectful, sincere, loving, kind, caring, or disrespectful, dishonest, rude, greedy, selfish, mean, unkind, sneaky. A good way to keep from judging a person by their outside is to get to know them and learn their character, who they are on the inside, just like we did with opening a plastic egg. For your activity, on this page, color each egg a different color. Then use the writing prompt to answer the question, how do we know if a person has good character? You will write, I can get to know my friends. When you are finished, mark as done in Google Classroom. For an additional project, you can write a character trait on a slip of paper that you would like to have in you. Put the slip of paper in a plastic egg as a reminder of who you want to be on the inside. This is a book, Amazing Grace. We're going to watch the read aloud book, Amazing Grace by Mary Hoffman and illustrated by Caroline Bench. What positive character trait do you think Grace has in this story? I think she shows perseverance power. The link is here and it's also in Google Classroom. Thank you and goodbye.